what's up guys? Good morning, good morning. Sunny morning, no? It's a Monday and we are very excited because again, natay very special na project na kinabuhat, no? And today is the day na ato siya i-share sa inyo. Very excited kayo guys. By the way, it's a Monday. It's already 10. No? It's already 10 in the morning and we're on the way ta sa atong site. Very excited today ko. Though Monday karon, but normally sa mga tao kay Monday, magka-Monday blues dahil Monday is a bad day. Murag hustle siya para sa ato. Of course, it's another opportunity to manifest. It's another opportunity to get an opportunity. So that's why we're excited na every Monday. Don't mind my eyes guys ha. Mura ko kanang droopy na katong eyes because 2 hours na itong sleep. But yeah, I'm very excited to reveal it to you guys ang atong project. Let's go! So guys, we're here na nata sa location guys. And ato lang check on kung unsa ni nahuman. And then ako i-share ninyo dito kung unsay atong gibuhat diri o para asa ni siya. Okay? So, guys, ato i-check. Let's go! Guys, minuto sa Tagdestada karon sa Park Hotel. Wait sa tong team na nagkuha po ng order po. Together tani cameraman na to. Nahina ang tagal kay 1:30 na. Past 12 na, so hindi na tamang simak-simak. Ate baboy. Baboy. Sabaw. Ito na ta. Balik na guys. Naniod to ram ta. Alas 2 na naniod to.
Pas
balik
mo na
na
jud.
to. Oh, pas mo na ta ni. Balik na kuyog na to si Jonel ug si Gustonton. Magtaod tagkuan karon. CCTV. Actually dili jud taod, ato lang paabangan mga wire ana. So, let's go.
Kumusta yan?
Grabe ay. Stress jud kayo.
Pero kaya kayo na eh.
Tanawan lang, kaya ra siguro na.